our drawing over here. It's a very simple drawing. We're already in the drawing, the graphics area. Then I've selected my front plane as my drawing, my plane. And let's start. So we start with a circle, the one in the middle over here, with a diameter of 36. So dimension this to 36. And then we'll have our slot over here. So let's use our center point arc slot. I'll need guidelines over here, so we'll use this. And then we'll use this. As a guide for our slot. Make this a construction geometry. Then we can have from here to here as 30. No, 60 rather. 60. Then we change this also to 60. Okay. So let's just delete this, and then we mirror this. Once it's mirrored, then this has a radius of 41. Okay, this has a radius of 41. So we'll use our center point arc slot at a 120-degree angle. We'll first pick up our center here. That's the point 1. The point 2 pick our first end, and the point 3 will be our second end. Then we'll have our thickness as 0.4. So this has a radius of 41 and has a thickness radius of 9. Change this to 9. Then we change this to 41. Once we have that down, we'll proceed to continue with this. Since this is 123, it applies from here to here, so we'll have our radius of 123 on 2. Then we'll draw from here to here. So let's use the center point arc. Then we'll extend from here to here. Then dimension this. With a diameter of, okay, we use the radius 123 on 2. Then we'll have that one down. And this circle, okay, so this circle is 22 millimeters from this line, so this circle is not on this line. So let's edit the dimensions from this. Delete the midpoint relation and let's bring this up. This slot also picks its midpoints. Okay. So let's change that of the circle. And let's draw the circle again over here. And this from here is 22. And it's also having a radius of 36. A diameter of 36. And then we'll draw this line 78 millimeters from the circle. So let's draw a midpoint center line for the circle. Make it midpoint in the construction. We'll make this 128. $123. And then we'll offset this 78 millimeters. Once offsetted, we're going to join the lines from here to here. Let's delete this. And let's join the line from here to here. So we have that down. Then let's draw these two circles. So I'll activate my dynamic mirror tool, sketch tools. I'll come to dynamic mirror. We select this. Then I'll draw the circle on the right, which is 54 from the bottom, and that's a radius of 18. So you take a circle tool, a radius of 18, times 2, times 2. And then from here, from the bottom, you have 54. You have that 54 down. And then we trim. Trim this, and then this. And then we trim this also. Next up, we fillet. So we have this fillet radius of 23. Select the fillet tool, 23. And then we select this, then this. Then we have our fillet. The last thing to do will be our slot. And let's extend our line down like this. Then we'll use our center point straight slot. After drawing, it says here 23 and then 12. So 23 from the bottom, and then a radius of 12. So from this bottom we have 23, and we change this to 12. also has a length of 45. And then that will be it for this drawing. So fully define our sketch. Press escape and then click on fully defined sketch. Then we select these entities. Then we'll calculate. And we can see here that we've got a fully defined sketch over here, and then we have our drawings done. That'll be it for this video, and bye bye.